FTMO is now back for USA traders, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a full breakdown of what this actually means for traders like us in the USA and how you guys can start using FTMO, which is a trust platform now that's been here since 2015. If you did not know, back a year ago FTMO brought out OANDA, which is a USA broker, a well-known USA broker that a lot of USA traders trade if they want something regulated. So the fact that they now brought into OANDA and brought out OANDA, this gives them an opportunity to do what they're doing now, and that is what we're going to be breaking down. So FTMO is finally back for the USA traders. Now, what changed? Well, what changed is their new structure. Originally, they were FTMO, but they brought out OANDA, like I said, about a year ago. And now, since OANDA is already a regulated broker, this gave them some leverage to kickstart and do what they're doing now. So what it is basically simulated accounts plus reward payouts. So they're changing the entire structure of how they're going about paying out USA clients. It's no longer called what it used to be called. This is called rewards payouts. So whatever you can do on that account, that is your reward that you'll get as a payout. When it comes to dealing with any affiliate structure inside of the states, you have to be cautious of how you go about saying it, wording it, and structuring it. And a lot of times, a lot of situations, when we want to get like a bonus, 100% bonus, 200% bonus, unfortunately, you're not allowed to do that in the States. They go about it by doing reward programs where they say if you deposit at least $5,000 into your TradeOvape account or TradeStation account, we will give you a reward balance of at least $250. This is something that is legal and possible to do in the States. Keep in mind that not a broker account, you're actually going to be a signal provider. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. How it works is you sign up for a challenge, you go through verification, go through your typical KYC, and then you sign up for something called SPA, which is a signal provider agreement with OANDA Prop USA. Very different, something new, but this is something that we are able to do in the States. Now, there may be some exclusions. I'm not sure if this will change later down the road, but unfortunately, if you are in these states like Arkansas, Delaware, Louisiana, Montana, or South Carolina, you will not be able to buy an FTMO account. Unfortunately, that is just reality what it is at this given moment. Hopefully this can change later down the road, but I do understand some states in the USA run their own operations, so that kind of sucks. But that's what that is. Now, as far as the platform, this is the biggest part. Unfortunately, you're not able to use MT4, MT5, or even CTrader. They're giving you the option to actually use DXtrade. Now, I'm not entirely sure if any other platforms will come available later down the road, but I'm sure there might be, maybe like TradeLocker. There's some other bigger trading platforms that is out now that they may be pushing for the USA clients as well. But unfortunately, just as of right now, you're only able to use DXtrade, which DXtrade started taking off really the moment MT4, MT5 kind of depreciating it by leaving everybody in the previous 2 years. But this is what we will get as a USA trader. When it comes to the payouts, which is obviously the most important in the taxes, like I said, this is reward. So it's taxable income. And basically what you will be getting is a W-9 required before your first payout. So you have to fill out a W-9 form. And also they want a proof of your USA bank account. So this is pretty much it when it comes to tracking your payouts, or when it comes to getting payouts. You just need to fill out this information and you'll be good to go. Now, let's say you are a trader that wants to trade with this prop firm, but you're not sure if you're actually ready to trade. And what I mean by that is you're now able to come into forexproprank.com and allow the algorithm to pick if this is a proper firm for you. How it works is quite simple. You go up here, you upload at least 5 minimum trades, and when you do that, the system is going to tell you how ready you are for this prop firm based off the way you trade, the trading conditions, your trading style. Do you trade during the news? What type of assets are you trading, and so forth. It does a very deep research where you will be able to know exactly what firm to trade. And as you see, for me, I'm 90% ready for FTMO. So that clearly shows that based off of my trading style and my trading conditions, I am able to use this firm to start scaling and growing my account. Now, once again, if you guys want more information on what we do, you could always go to forexproprank.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you guys ever decide to purchase a challenge, whether that's an FTMO or any challenge through Forex Prop Rank, you can send us an email at forexproprank@gmail.com, and I will allow you guys into my personal solo ETV community where we talk about everything on how to scale, grow, and pass prop firms and brokers and all of that fun stuff. You will get all of that if you purchase one of the challenges or accounts or sign up through a broker and deposit, all through Forex Prop Rank. I decided to partner up with them to help them to get you guys to the next track. So once again, you can do that. Send your verification over to forexproprank@gmail.com and we'll get you in the community. And other than that, your boy Solo here at forexproprank.com. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.